Hello class, this is Dr. Selby here, and today I wanted to do a quick example problem of a gas law. This problem reads that a gas is being held in a rigid sealed container at minus 17.35 degrees Celsius. What would the temperature of the gas be if the pressure was changed from 4.25 atm to 2.75 atm? Round your answer to the nearest hundredth. So what information are we given? The first piece of information that we're given is this is a rigid sealed container. So what does that mean? It means no gas is entering or leaving and the volume is constant. Next piece of information is an initial temperature of minus 17.35 degrees Celsius. The first thing we want to do whenever you see a temperature in Celsius in a gas law problem, you need to convert it to Kelvin. So we're going to convert that temperature T1 equals minus 17.35 plus 273.15. And that will give us our temperature in Kelvin. It's 255.80. 255.80 unit Kelvin. What else are we given in this problem? We are given a change from, and this is 4.25 atm, that's a pressure. So we're starting from this pressure, so that's our P1, pressure 1, equals 4.25 atm. Next piece of information is our final pressure, or P2, at 2.75 atm. P2 equals 2.75 atm. Okay, I could derive the equation to use just starting from the ideal gas law. However, you're given an equation sheet on for your final exam that you can print out beforehand. Please do download it and print it out, because if you view it on the screen, some of the equations don't look right. So download it. It's in the Module 8 Final Exam Resources page. Anyway, back to the problem. So we're looking for a final temperature, or a T2, and we're given P1 and P2. So this is the law that we're going to use. Okay, so that's our equation. P1 on T1 equals P2 on T2. And what I want to do is solve for T2. What I'm going to do is cross multiply here. So I get T2 times P1 equals T1 times P2. And then I want to isolate T2, so I'm going to divide both sides by P1. And these P1s go away. And so this is what our T2 equals. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug my variables in. So we have T2 equals our temperature 1 in Kelvin, which is 255.80 unit Kelvin. Multiply that by our P2, which is 2.75 atm. And divide by our P1, which is 4.25 atm. And then cross out our units, atm, they cancel. We're given a temperature in Kelvin. We're instructed to round to the nearest hundredth place. So after punching it in our calculator and rounding, we get 165.52 unit Kelvin. Now, we were just asked what the temperature of the gas would be after that pressure change. And it doesn't ask for units. If you recall, your very first announcement, if you scroll down to that very long announcement, you would see quiz rules. And it said if you're asked for a temperature and it doesn't specify a unit, use unit Kelvin. That's the key here. I recommend that you go back and look at those rules because they're very useful in entering answers correctly. So this is the final answer in unit Kelvin. I hope this was helpful. Thank you and have a great day.